Alright, hello, welcome back. I'm still the Shrieking Geek here, messing with my microphone as I do it. Excuse me. This is the third episode I'm recording today. So, let's see, what have we done? I'll check the task list. The math notebook we got.
That's done.
Ask Rachel if I can borrow the book.
Check. That's done.
Beat Leela.
Did that.
Talk to Leela. So is it just me, or
Check.
every time I
Check.
hear her name now I think about the,
That's done. Can't check that off yet. Did that. Did that.
so much stuff
Can't
we've
check
done.
that off yet. Haven't done that. That's done. Did that. Check.
Alright, so I need to retrieve the gold token that was in the cornerstone from that sticky pawed white squirrel. Don't know how to do that. Find a way into the locked classroom. Looks like something goes into those niches. Niches? Isn't that what, what's his face? What's his name? Eric Matthews.
Go away, please. It's not locked.
You've got my math notebook. Fab. I'll take that.
What do you have against Mel?
Nothing. She's one of the few girls around here I actually kind of like.
But before you said you didn't want to deal with her.
You misunderstood. I meant I didn't have time to deal with her because of these stupid papers I have to write. Anyway, the book's all yours. Go ahead and take it. I gotta get back to work here. I'll see you later.
Thanks. But, it reminded me of Eric Matthews, the niche. That's what he says as, plays with squirrels. Great name, right? Okay. Gotta find a way in there. Don't know how quite yet. See if what's her face.
How's it going?
Nope.
Thanks for all the advice. Adios.
Alright, I'm gonna look at this book that I just got, because that's probably a great idea. Formal meals in the Victorian era. Social effect. 15 courses. Holy. Dinner, dessert, steak, fish. Melon, game. Butter. Terrapin. Don't get that.
Check. Did that. That's done. Check.
Alright, so we get to pull some utensils. I'm pausing the game for a second so you can hear me talk better. Also as I scroll my notes. So I have help. So I'm not blindly jumping at this. No, not the fire alarm! Anything but the fire alarm.
Looks like I need a key.
Do I have a key that could... No, I don't even have a key. How do I even get in there? Snack shop storage closet. Okay. Oh. Hmm. So supposedly there's a key that I can get. I see no key, and I apologize. Oh. I have to turn on the light. Alright. Turn off the light. No, I don't want to go back there again. Much as I love doing the snack shop stuff. Yeah, all those beeps are from my face, or those sounds are from my Facebook. I don't know why. I don't know why people decide, oh, we're gonna harass Deanna tonight. I mean, yeah, screw it, yeah. Alright, so now that we know what we are doing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. So